create the deadliest prophecies in the world, and most importantly, I'm gonna make sure that... You bitch.
Mabel, run!
Hé, mi a fenét csinálsz? Elgázolgattam volna.
You need to help us, sir. They're after us.
Várj, ki követ téged?
Let's go kill those imbeciles.
Jézus! Szállj be a kocsiba, gyorsan!
What is happening? Why did you pull over?
Mi a fene ez?
Game over, girls. There's nowhere else to go.
We told you to stay away from our boss, but you didn't listen.
Don't you do this, please. We just want to negotiate about this peacefully.
Bullshit. You exposed our private container crap. You threatened to lock up our leader. And get this, your little brother Dipper was working for the cops.
That's not true. Dipper is my brother. He is not a cop, and he never wants to be one that young. He's innocent.
You are defending a piece of scum? Unbelievable.
Turn this kid over to us so we can use it as our container plot.
Do you want to die in a container like those girls did? You want that, don't you?
Kérlek, ne bántsd ezeket a gyerekeket. Semmi közük hozzád. Inkább ölj meg engem, nem érdekel.
I am willing to accept that offer. My friends, pull out your rifles.
No. Stop, please. What have you done?
See? Now we're even.
Stop!
Well, well, well. Brother and sister together at long last.
For the love of God, just don't do anything stupid, okay? Please don't hurt my sister. You have done enough. The police will be here at any minute. You can run, but you can't hide.
No! No! This is your last warning, Pines. Do not underestimate us. Let's move, boys.
The ambulance is coming, and you gotta hang in there. Please don't go.